Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Usually what I do the channel is all about savings, promotion, discount, and on and off. I'll do like a review of our products and so on. And sometimes I do maintenance on my car. So if that's something that you're interested, you've come to the right channel. And just sit back and relax. In this video, I just want to share with you guys about an article that I came across. And luckily, it's not about Tesla. It's about Mercedes Benz. So apparently this homeowner, she got a loaner from Mercedes and the vehicle caught on fire. The customer's name is Jennifer. Okay, so basically what happened, she put her car in service and Mercedes loaned her a 2023 Mercedes Benz EQE350 Plus. And according to her, the vehicle was parked inside her garage and it caught on fire. Her husband stated that because he lived, he stayed in the next room, and he heard like a hissing and a pop sound, and then that's where the fire started. As of right now, we still don't know. They're still investigating the issues. We don't know for sure why, how, where, But all we know is it started in the garage. As you can see, there's a lot of damage to her house. And luckily, no one was hurt in this incident, but just the fire itself has damage to the house. It will cost more than $1 million just to fix it in damages. And as you can see right here, that's when the fire department pulled the vehicle out of the garage, and it's pretty much burned down everything. So, and according to her, she stated that. She doesn't feel safe. The Mercedes, the vehicle is ready to be for the mass market yet, and that they should do more research before And she doesn't recommend any EVs customers to buy this Mercedes yet. And this Mercedes, they did have a recall sometimes in March regarding about the battery malfunctions, and it doesn't alert the drivers. So. In this, it's kind of sad, because right now we're moving forward and, every company's out there trying to have a little bit of market share and rush everything to the customers, consumers like us. But again, we should, do a thorough R&D, make sure do a lot of tests, and make sure that each vehicle that will be pushed onto the road will be safe for consumers. In her case now, the vehicle. Look at the vehicles burned. Her house. She probably could spend maybe the fastest maybe 6 months to a year to have the house rebuilt. But again, this is something that we should not have to deal with, because now she probably have to deal with her homeowner insurance, try to get figured out how, where, it will somehow affect her, but again, when we look into a vehicle, as a consumer, we just hope and we buy a vehicle that should last us for a long time, and we want it to go green as well too. So with all this in there, just hopefully all the manufacturers, make sure you guys do a lot of testings and before passing out to us. And again, so in this video, I just want to share it quickly with you guys. If you guys like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.